Have you ever wondered if there's a gentle, natural way to heal your teeth, something you could do right at home, with just a touch of nature's magic? Imagine this: a single drop, a simple routine, and the promise of a brighter, healthier smile. I'm here today to share the powerful story behind an oil that's been quietly transforming oral health for generations, a remedy inspired by Dr. Barbara O'Neill, and loved by thousands who want to heal, not just cover up tooth decay. Now, if you're picturing expensive treatments or complicated routines, take a breath. What I'm talking about is oil pulling, an ancient practice that's seeing a beautiful revival. And the star? Pure cold-pressed coconut oil. Just a drop, literally a teaspoon, swished gently in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes each morning. That's it. No chemicals, no harsh treatments, just you, nature, and a moment of calm before your day begins. Here's why it matters. Coconut oil is packed with lauric acid, a natural compound with remarkable antibacterial properties. That means less harmful bacteria, less plaque, and a chance for your teeth to remineralize naturally. Many people have noticed their gums feel healthier, their breath fresher, and even those early signs of decay start to fade. It's gentle, it's green, and it's a practice that respects both your body and the planet. I know it sounds almost too simple, but sometimes the best solutions are. I felt skeptical at first too, but after just a few weeks I noticed my mouth felt cleaner, my teeth smoother, and my smile a little bit brighter. The science isn't magic, it's nature, working just as it should. If you're ready to try, just remember, start with a small amount, always spit into the trash, not the sink, to keep your pipes happy, and don't swallow the oil, because it's collected toxins from your mouth. And of course, this doesn't replace brushing and flossing. It complements them, adding an ancient touch of healing to your daily routine. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried oil pulling, or are you curious to start? Drop a comment below and share your story, your questions, or your own natural remedies. Let's grow this community of health, healing, and hope. Thank you for joining me on this journey towards natural oral health. Remember, sometimes the smallest drops have the biggest impact.